Are gnats making your home their own? Are you having a battle with those pests in your home? Don't despair. Get your house back with our step-by-step guide on eliminating those pesky critters. Learn the tricks and tips to banish the buzzing from your abode. We'll cover methods such as traps and natural repellents so that you can take back control of your home. So don't wait another minute. Watch this video now to find out how to kick those pesky gnats out for good. Gnats are a common nuisance in homes, often swarming around windows, fruit bowls, and houseplants. They are small flying insects that can be particularly annoying in the home. These pesky bugs are usually black or brown and range from 1/8 to 1/10 inch long. They have long antennae and thin wings, making them appear even smaller. Although gnats may look insignificant, their size does not signify their ability to put up a fight when it comes to elimination. Gnats have 6 legs with 2 compound eyes and an elongated proboscis, which is used to feed on liquids such as plant sap and fruit juice. These creatures also have short lifespans of about 7 days, so reproduction occurs quickly if left untreated. With this in mind, you should take proper steps to exterminate these pests once you notice them in your home. So here is the best natural ways to eliminate gnats in the home. 1. Eliminate spoilt foodstuffs. Gnats are pesky, annoying little critters that can quickly multiply and take over any home. While most people see them as harmless, gnats can contaminate food and spread germs. It's important to get rid of them as soon as possible. But before you go on a gnat-killing spree in your home, there is a critical step to take. Eliminate spoilt foodstuffs. Spoilt foodstuffs are one of the main attractors for gnats in the house, so they must be disposed of properly if you want to get rid of these insects. Gnats are attracted to unrefrigerated fruits and vegetables as they provide an ideal breeding ground for their larvae. To get rid of gnats in your home, start by inspecting all areas where food is stored or prepared. Look out for any signs of spoilage, such as mold or foul smells coming from containers or packages you have stored away in cupboards or drawers. Store all fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator or freezer where possible. This act will help protect them against gnats. Also, throw away any old or spoiled produce before it attracts more pests such as gnats or flies. 2. Use vinegar traps. If you've recently noticed gnats buzzing around your house, you may be wondering how to get rid of them. One of the most effective methods for controlling gnat infestations is to set up a vinegar trap. This method is simple and effective for catching and killing these pesky bugs. With only 2 ingredients, apple cider vinegar and dish soap, you can create an easy homemade trap that will drown the gnats in your house. To make a vinegar trap, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water in a shallow bowl or container. Add a few drops of liquid dish soap. This helps break the surface tension so that any gnats drawn to the mixture cannot escape it once they land on it. Place the container near windows or other areas where gnats are likely to enter or congregate, such as potted plants, fruit bowls, drains and trash bins for example. These pests will drown when they come in contact with the mixture. 3. Deploy an alcohol solution. Gnats are annoying pests that can quickly take over your home if not treated immediately, but there is an effective solution to help combat these flying pests. An alcohol solution can do the trick. This simple and effective method requires minimal effort and supplies, making it a great choice for those looking to remedy their gnat problem quickly and inexpensively. Rubbing alcohol is a powerful disinfectant that works to kill any adult gnats present in your home, as well as larvae and eggs. Additionally, the solution helps remove any dirt or grime on surfaces where gnat activity has been observed. To make an alcohol solution, combine equal parts rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle or bowl. Shake the mixture until it's blended together. Then spray the solution directly onto surfaces where you see gnats flying around or into crevices, such as window sills, door frames, and plants. 4. Make a citronella oil spray. Gnats can be a nuisance in the home, especially during the warmer months. However, they are relatively easy to eliminate. A simple and effective solution is to make your citronella oil spray. Citronella oil is an all-natural insect repellent that can help you keep gnats out of the house. Not only will it help you get rid of existing gnats, but it will also act as a deterrent for future infestations. Citronella oil is made from various plants that produce strong scents and has been used for centuries as a natural insect repellent. The scent of citronella masks the smells that attract gnats and other insects, making it difficult for them to find food or enter your home. Plus, using citronella oil spray around your home is easy and affordable. Here's how to make your citronella oil spray at home. Gather the necessary items, including distilled water and concentrated citronella essential oil. Choose a dark glass container with a tight-fitting lid or pump bottle and fill 2/3 full with distilled water. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of citronella oil and shake vigorously. Spray and apply it around doorways and windowsills where gnats might enter your home. It will kill them and send them packing in no time. 5. Spray some garlic solution. Garlic has many benefits, including its ability to repel gnats. You can reduce the number of gnats living in your house and make your space much more enjoyable by using garlic around your home strategically. It is an inexpensive and natural way to exterminate gnats without toxic chemicals. All you need is a few cloves of garlic and some water or mineral oil to create a solution that will help keep these pesky bugs away from your living space. The smell alone should be enough to deter them from entering your home. 6. Make a baking soda mixture. Many people rely on chemical solutions to eliminate gnats in the house, but there's an easier, more natural way to do the job: applying some baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile household item that can serve various purposes, including ridding your home of pesky gnats. Baking soda eliminates gnat infestations by creating an alkaline environment that makes it difficult for them to survive and breed. Additionally, baking soda is a non-toxic insecticide to kill their larvae and eggs. Using baking soda for pest control is simple and cost-effective. All you need is some baking powder and warm water to make an effective solution. First, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water until it has dissolved completely. Then sprinkle the mixture into places where gnats congregate, like windowsills or other areas with high humidity. Afterward, wait for the gnats to come in contact with the mixture, and they will die off within minutes. This method won't just kill existing gnats, it will also prevent new ones from entering your home. 7. Make a candle trap. Are you tired of dealing with pesky gnats in your home? Have you tried all the traditional methods to rid your house of these pesky insects, but they just won't go away? If so, it may be time to consider a candle trap. This simple and inexpensive method uses an ordinary candle and shallow jar to attract and quickly reduce the number of gnats in your house. All you need is a standard candle, an unscented one will do best for this purpose, and a shallow dish or plate that is wide enough to accommodate the candle. Find an old jar or container and add water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar inside the container. Put a few drops of liquid dish soap into the mixture. This will break down the surface tension so that the bugs will sink when they land on it. Then place a lit candle in the center of the jar. Once constructed, you can set it near windows or wherever the gnats usually appear in your home. The trap works by attracting the gnats to the heat of the lit candle and drowning them when they fall into the jar. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of household pests with apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.